With your vehicle on and in park, begin by turning your phone's Bluetooth feature on and make it discoverable. Now you can begin the pairing from the MyLink's touchscreen. Tap the phone icon and then tap Pair Device. After beginning the pairing, look for Chevrolet MyLink on your phone and select it. Confirm the request if your phone asks permission to pair. The MyLink touchscreen displays a pin. Confirm matching pins on the phone and touchscreen. Tap OK on the touchscreen to confirm. A check mark next to the device shows that it is active and connected.